It's still very hot. The chicken is very moist and it's very tender. Chicken breast for a very simple recipe for today's video. I always prick my chicken before I cook them with a fork so that the seasonings and flavorings can go inside, on the other side as well. Mustard. Rub the mustard into chicken breast and on the other side too. Salt and pepper. Black sesame seeds. And white sesame seeds. I don't have much of white sesame, but I will still mix it. I want to coat the chicken breast with sesame seeds. Coating on both sides. Baking dish. Olive oil. It would be nice if I have sesame oil, but olive oil will do. Fresh marjoram. Putting in baking dish. Chicken breast will be sitting on fresh marjoram while it's roasting. Ready for roasting in preheated oven. While chicken is roasting in the oven, let me make warm potato and carrot salad. I'm just gonna cut it into chunks or maybe about 1-inch cubes. Let's cook potatoes and carrots. Salt. Carrot. Olive oil. Black pepper. Fresh mint. It smells so good, it just comes out from the oven. It's very good with rice, and I think because of the black sesame seeds,